Before we can learn how to navigate over the Earth's surface, we need to understand how it evolved into the familiar spherical blue planet. This lesson will describe the form and shape of the Earth, and how the Earth is spinning in orbit around the Sun. The Earth evolved from gas billions of years ago. A swirling ball of this gas then cooled and solidified to form the planet. As the gas solidified, the centrifugal force created by the spinning produced slightly more mass around the middle, and it became a distorted sphere. The Earth, therefore, is not perfectly spherical. It is slightly distorted, being more wide than it is high. This difference in diameter is called the Earth compression. The compression of the Earth is described in terms of its height, the polar diameter, against its width, the equatorial diameter. The polar diameter is some 27 statute miles less than the equatorial diameter. This equates to 23 nautical miles, or 43 kilometres. The difference between the equatorial and polar diameter can also be expressed as a percentage of the equatorial diameter, and this is 0.3%. Or as a fraction, it is 1/300th. The Earth's shape is referred to as an oblate spheroid. The Greek word for Earth-shaped is geoid, and this is sometimes used to describe the shape. There is a slightly larger amount of mass in the southern hemisphere, although this is insignificant in navigation terms.